Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through transforming your simple Shopify page into a fully functional, eye-catching and impressive e-commerce website using some of the best free and paid plugins out there. Let's get started. Setting up a Shopify store is simple, but as you dive in, you might realize that the default templates and themes may not fully meet your needs if you want your store to stand out. To create a professional, visually appealing, and unique e-commerce website that outshines the competition, you'll need to put in some extra effort. This is where Shopify page builder integrations become invaluable. Follow the link in the description below to get started with Shopify for just $1. Pagefly is a powerful and user-friendly Shopify integration that empowers you to design and customize stunning pages effortlessly. Whether you're creating a product page, landing page, homepage, or anything in between, Pagefly provides the tools you need to stand out. Getting started is simple. Visit the Shopify App Store, search for Pagefly, and install the app to begin building your pages. The platform offers an extensive selection of professionally designed templates, catering to various industries and page types. Its intuitive drag-and-drop editor seamlessly integrates with Shopify, enabling even beginners to create polished, high-converting pages without any coding knowledge. Beyond its design capabilities, Pagefly includes automation features that simplify complex tasks such as displaying product collections dynamically, importing product details, and managing content efficiently. These functionalities save you time while maintaining a professional look and feel across your store. Pagefly's pricing structure is designed to accommodate different needs and budgets. The free plan allows you to create and publish a single page, making it a perfect option for small businesses or those just starting out. Paid plans begin at $24 per month, providing access to up to 10 pages and additional features for growing businesses. For advanced users and larger-scale operations, the Enterprise plan at $99 per month offers premium benefits such as unlimited page creation, priority support, advanced analytics, and more. Whether you're a beginner looking to create a simple page or an experienced marketer needing advanced customization and analytics, Pagefly delivers a versatile and robust solution to elevate your Shopify store. Layout Hub is another excellent, user-friendly platform designed to streamline website creation. It provides both free and paid plans, offering flexibility to meet different needs. The platform stands out with its intuitive drag-and-drop builder and a wide variety of templates, making it easy for users to design professional-looking pages without coding expertise. The free plan allows users to create up to 3 pages, which is ideal for small projects or testing the platform's capabilities. For more extensive needs, paid plans start at $14.99 per month for 10 pages and extend to $29.99 per month for up to 50 pages. This pricing structure makes Layout Hub a more affordable option than Pagefly for building larger websites. However, it's important to note that the free version of Layout Hub does not include certain advanced features, such as lazy loading, which may be essential for optimizing website performance. Gem Pages is a versatile website and landing page builder that goes beyond just creating landing pages. It also supports full-scale website development. The platform is equipped with a range of robust features designed to enhance functionality and user experience. These include SEO optimization to improve search engine rankings, A/B testing to help you determine the most effective designs or content, lazy loading for faster page performance, and global styling options to ensure design consistency across all your pages. For those exploring Gem Pages, the free plan allows you to publish a single page, making it a good starting point for testing its capabilities. For users needing more flexibility, the paid plans start at $29 per month, offering support for up to 10 product pages and 20 blog posts. With its combination of advanced features and scalability, Gem Pages is an excellent choice for businesses or individuals seeking an all-in-one solution for building professional, high-performing websites and landing pages. Zipify has established itself as a seasoned player in the page building industry, offering a suite of premium features designed to cater specifically to e-commerce businesses. While it comes with a higher price tag, the platform delivers exceptional value through its range of advanced tools and optimization capabilities. Zipify provides access to a library of high-converting, professionally designed templates, enabling users to create visually appealing and effective pages tailored for maximum conversions. Key features include unlimited page creation, countdown timers to drive urgency, and lightboxes for enhanced user engagement. For those seeking to take their e-commerce stores to the next level, Zipify's focus on detailed and data-driven design makes it an ideal choice. The platform also supports split testing and other advanced functionalities, empowering users to refine their strategies for optimal performance. Pricing begins at $19 per month, with the basic plan priced at $39/month. For users who need access to more sophisticated tools, including split testing, the advanced plan is available for $99 per month. With its robust features and focus on optimization, Zipify is a compelling choice for businesses aiming to build highly effective e-commerce pages. Shogun provides a comprehensive set of tools for creating and customizing web pages with ease, making it an excellent choice for individuals and businesses seeking advanced page building capabilities. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows users to design professional-looking pages without any coding knowledge, while offering the flexibility to fine-tune every detail to meet specific needs. The free plan includes essential features such as access to basic templates and built-in SEO support, ensuring that even those on a budget can create functional and search engine-friendly pages. For users who require more advanced functionality, Shogun's paid plans range from $39 per month to $499 per month. These plans unlock premium features like the ability to schedule page launches, integrate live chat for enhanced customer engagement, and optimize images to improve page load times and performance. Although Shogun's pricing may be on the higher end compared to other page builders, its robust set of tools and advanced customization options make it a worthwhile investment for users who demand more control and functionality from their page building platform. Whether you're a small business owner, an e-commerce entrepreneur, or a marketing professional, Shogun delivers the tools you need to create impactful web pages that drive results. Here are some of the top Shopify page builders you can use to take your online store to the next level. Each one offers unique features, customization options, and ease of use. When selecting the right one for your store, consider factors such as your specific business needs, your budget, and the functionalities you require to create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Some may offer drag-and-drop simplicity, while others provide advanced customization tools. So it's important to pick a builder that aligns with your goals for design, performance, and scalability. If you're ready to create your ideal Shopify store, start with Shopify for only $1 by clicking the link in the description below.